Hi, I'm Martin Bolter. Welcome back, and you are watching AutoCAD 2020 tutorials. So for this tutorial, we're going to look at downloading the AutoCAD 2020 software onto your home PC. For this to really work properly, you're going to need to have your college email address and your college password. Hopefully that was all set up for you in your first week. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go on to Google and go to the Autodesk Education website. Once we've found our way to the website, you're going to have to register so you can sign in. You'll do that with your college username and password. I'm already signed in, or I already have an account, so I'm going to sign straight in. So the software is free to all students. So once you've signed in, you downloaded it, you get the license for 3 years. The only issue is that it puts a watermark on the printouts. So when you do any printing, you'll get a student version watermark on it. But we're going to click on the AutoCAD icon here, which will then start to open up the download screen. We're already signed in, or I'm already signed in, so if you haven't, just click sign in and put your username and password in, and then we're going to choose which version. But there is a special version for the Mac if you are a Mac user. The only issue there is the interface looks quite considerably different, but it's usable. It's still AutoCAD. You just got to find your way around a little bit more than what will be demonstrated in the classrooms and the tutorials. But everything's there and it works exactly the same. So we're going to select the version 2020. I'm going to choose the 64-bit operating system and English. And then we're going to click the download button once we've checked everything through. We will be given an email which will be basically our license agreement. You just keep that just in case, but you don't need to. You shouldn't need to verify anything because you verified your account using your college email address. So we'll install now. Going to accept the license agreement. And then the file will download. The first bit's pretty quick, downloads direct to your hard drive. It's basically an installation file. From there, once we open the next file up, or that installation file up, the actual full download takes a lot longer. So now click this AutoCAD file down in the bottom left hand corner, and this will start to do the extraction for the actual software, the download software to run. The download is considerably large and will take somewhere between 15 and 30 minutes depending on your internet speed. So you should get a pop-up that asks you if you want to work with your devices. Just click yes, and then click on the little icon down the bottom of the screen, which will be your installation. And you should have this Autodesk 2020 window pop up. This is the download taking place, and this is where I am going to pause my recording and come back to it because it can take a while. So with the download complete, we're going to now click the install button. This will start the whole file installation onto your hard drive. Just check that everything's checked so that you're going to get everything. I don't want to be part of the feedback, the AutoCAD feedback, so I've got that one not checked. and then we're going to click the install. There's 15 different sections to install, so that again this bit's going to take quite a while depending on your actual computer speed. So we'll come back once it's fully installed. So there we go, the AutoCAD 2020 is fully installed and successfully, which is good news. Now what we can do is we can hit the Launch Now button. On my computer I have to go down and you'll see the flashing AutoCAD icon. I'll just click that, and there we go, that's the AutoCAD all ready to go. We've got to do a couple of updates, so we're going to click the AutoCAD licensing, that you agree to it, and that's just putting your software certificate with the actual version, and then we're going to start up the Autodesk service. I'm going to put my email in and username and password, and then we'll have these 2 updates that we need to do. You may have more, depends on when you do it, but obviously we've got a licensing service update and also an actual quite a large update for the new 2020. Hopefully that's been successful for you, and you've now got a copy of AutoCAD 2020 on your home PC. The next lesson, or the next episode, we're going to be looking at the user interface, how to navigate around the user interface, as well as looking at drawing some simple shapes, lines and rectangles and circles, and how we can be as accurate as possible using some of the tricks that AutoCAD has. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more content to do with AutoCAD 2020 and Inventor 2020. If you've liked what you've watched and it's worked for you, hit that like button, and also add any comments for any future content you want to see, and I'll try and put something together for you. Thank you very much for watching.